In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate hours worked in Excel. This is a simple and useful Excel skill, especially if you need to track work time between a start time and an end time. The process is quick, and once you set it up correctly, Excel will calculate the total hours for you automatically. To begin, enter your start time in cell A2. For example, you can type 9 a.m., then move to cell B2 and enter your end time. For this example, type 5 p.m. These two cells will hold the time range that Excel will use to calculate the hours worked. Next, click on cell C2. This is where you want the total work time to appear. In that cell, type the formula equals B2 minus A2. This tells Excel to subtract the start time from the end time, which gives you the amount of time worked during that period. After typing the formula, press Enter. At this point, Excel has already calculated the result, but depending on your current formatting, it may not display in the clearest way. To make sure the result appears as a time value, you will need to format the cell properly. With cell C2 selected, press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. This opens the Format Cells window. This menu gives you several ways to control how data is displayed in Excel, including numbers, dates, and times. Inside the Format Cells window, look for the category list and select Time. Once you do that, you will see different time formats available on the right side. Choose the 1330 format. This format displays the result in hours and minutes, which makes it easy to read the total time worked. After selecting it, confirm the change, and your result should display as 8 o'clock for the example shown. That means Excel has correctly calculated the difference between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. as 8 hours. A helpful tip is to make sure both your start time and end time are entered as actual time values, not plain text. If they are entered correctly, Excel will recognize them, and the formula will work as expected. If the result does not look right, the issue is often just the cell format. Once you understand this basic setup, calculating hours worked in Excel becomes very straightforward. You enter the start time, enter the end time, subtract one from the other, and format the result so it displays clearly. That covers everything you need to know.